everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm sharing with you the February Lollipopbox Club kit that is called Fancy That. There had been changes in the kit apparently, so we're gonna find out together. So let's delve into it. So here's like a nice postcard from Lisa. By the way, before I carry on, this is ad gifted. I have been sent this box as part of the creative team for Lollipopbox Club. So I will put the link in the description down below where you can buy this kit. I think she's only got a few left. If you want to grab one, or by the time I post this, they may have all gone by then, so sorry about that. But you know, every month there should be a new kit that comes out, and if you want to buy it and try it, yeah, use the link below. So as always, it comes with a zine, and it does have your usual recipe that you can try, journal prompts, a little kind of like journal card type thing or embellishment, kit tips, how you can use the kit, and Lisa also has a Patreon. If you want to join, then she puts on class there, and we do Patreon meets and stuff, and Patreon chats and whatnot. And there's a Discord group as well for Patreon. Yeah, it's and the Facebook group, I think. Yeah, so yeah, this is it. It's also has a February sketch and another journal cards there. Grow your dreams like flowers. Oh, that's cute. Lovely. So I always cut apart my zine, if you haven't known me already. Here we go. Let's see. Wow. Okay. Oh, so there's loads of little treat box type thing. I tend to peel off the stickers gently so I can reuse the bags and they don't have any holes in them. That's just me. So this treat bag has got like wooden embellishments. Love it. That's really nice. Oh, it's little hearts. This is so lovely. Oh, I love it. Okay, so that's that one. Right, this one is another one. He's so cute. Color combo again. So I think this is the treat bag. Let me just remove something from here. Okay, so in this bag we have, oh, a little lace. That is cute. Some stickers. That is cute. Oh, what are these? Oh, that is so cute. There's like little, I think these are little flower beads. Or little flower embellishment. I don't think they have holes in them. Oh, they're so beautiful. Oops, they're so cute. Oh, how pretty. Well, you can use this to embellish your journal page. So let's not lose them. And then you get these teal hearts. Oh, they're so sweet. We had pink one the last box, so that, oh, they're a good combo actually. Some tags that's got a little hearts in them that you can, ta-da, you can take it off. Well, I don't want to lose that heart. And then your cut apart card. It's more spring, isn't it? Spring, pastel-y cuteness is what's in this box this month. Right, and then you get some kind of like little note pads, like note sheets. I like the perforated kind of like notebook edge. And then you get this. Oh, this is so cute. Cute little baggie. And what is this? Oh, oh, are these stickers? Oh, I think they're stickers. Oh, they're really cute. Washi stickers. I think they are. Let me just see before I say yay or nay. I think they are stickers. Yeah, they're kind of like washi-ish stickers. Oh, they're so cute. They're really, I love the color. Love it. Oops. Let's peel it off. Love it. Okay, I love this little baggie. They're so cute. And then, what do you have here? Oh, more stickers. But are they stickers? Oh yeah, they are. But they're like embossed. Are they? No, they're embellishment. I don't think they're stickers, but they're like really embossed vellum things. Oh, that's so cute there. Yeah, I don't think they are stickers, but they're lovely. Oh, they're so cute. And then you get the stickers made by Mrs. Primbles with some like word things at the bottom. That is so lovely. I really love the colors. And you get a pen. Pink pen. Nice. Oh, I love this. Handle with care. Oh, that's another sticker. It says handle with care. Fragile. I mean, you can cut them apart and then use the words. But yeah. Oh, that's so lovely. And you get this beautiful paper. Oh my god. This is like handmade cotton paper of some sort. That is so beautiful. Love the texture. And then you get another set of circular sticker that you can use for your journal. Oh my goodness. Oops. Right, let's see what comes with the paper. Just gonna pop that there. Always look forward to the papers. I don't know. Look at those colors. I love it. Oh, I love them. So you can cut these apart and use like washi strips. This is so cute. This is like really nice spring colors, isn't it? Bright, pastel-y. Oh, I don't know. Oh my goodness, this is so beautiful. Oh, I love this. It says date, who and why. Oh, there's only one of them, but it is beautiful. Oh, right. So let's see what we can come up with creating with this kit. So here is my finished page using the kit. I love it. I know it's about Poppy again, but I just need to kind of like document as much as I can about her. You can see she's got a little snowflake in her little chinny chin now, so she's getting on a bit. But yeah, these are the photographs that we had professionally done. We won kind of like we were chosen after a call out for a dog model. Aren't they so beautiful? I'm just biased, guys. But as you can see, I used the paper to back my photographs. They look like strips, and I also created a tag from one of the papers and then documented at the back. I used the paper bag to house the photographs and the card. I've done a little bit of collaging. I'm not so good at collaging, but I thought I'd give it a go. Use the stickers, use the cut apart card, the tag that was included in the kit, and also extended and have a little flippy outy thing here going on for this bigger picture, because I really love this black and white picture. This was chosen by my daughter. She absolutely instructed the photographer when we were looking at the photographs, and she said, oh, I want it in black and white and or a different orientation. So really, really lovely. And then I used the lace just to kind of like put some frills on the side, and then I documented there. Yeah, that is my how I used the kit for this month. Lollipopbox Club kit. I used the sheet. I've kind of like cut it to size, but it looks like it's already been kind of like layered on top of another paper, but it isn't. It's just one sheet. But yeah, I love it. I love it so much. So I hope you like this page 2 as much as I love it. Like the pinks and green situation going on. Yeah, I will put the Lollipopbox Club site, shop site on the description box, so that you can get hold of the kits and future kits if there's still left. I don't think there's much left anyway. Anywho, I hope you all have a good day, and thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye guys.